So 12th one. So in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. Should I draw the picture?
Yes. So once again, I'll get my class score.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So x plus 6 whole squared equal to x minus 3 whole squared plus x plus 4 whole squared. So you'll have x squared plus 12x plus 36 equal to x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus x squared plus 8x plus 16. Correct? So you will have
Yes, sir.
1x squared getting cancelled and 12x, so I'll bring everything to the other side. X squared plus 2x plus 25 minus 12x minus 36. So rearranging, I get x squared. So x squared minus 10x, then minus 11 equal to 0. So doing factorization, you will get minus 11, right? This minus 11 minus 10. So minus 11 plus 1. So this is minus 11 and plus 1. This is a factorization. So here x equal to 11 or x equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 is invalid.
Yes, sir.
Why it's invalid?
The negative value.
Negative value, AB becomes negative. Here AB becomes negative. That's why it's invalid.
Yes, sir.
So now we have to pick up this x equal to 11, and with x equal to 11 we will have to do that. So AB is 11 minus 3, which is 8 centimeters. BC is x plus 4, that means 11 plus 4, it's 15. Yeah. AC equals x plus 6, 11 plus 6, 17 centimeters. So can you do the second one?
Yes, sir.
12 2.
square plus minus 9 is equal to 0.
X square.
Plus square plus minus 9 is equal to 0.
Yeah, correct. Then proceed. Quadratic.
Yes.
So you can't factorize, I think.
Yes, sir. You can't
Yeah, you have to use the formula.
factorize. How do you get that?
Hmm?
How do you get that?
Oh, okay, good question. uh, there is a formula like this. Okay, that is, if the equation, if the quadratic is like this, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, if it is in this form, then this is how you will get the answer. Okay, let me see why then this is included. This is to be done after quadratic. Quadratic is not done, no? Really?
Yes, it's not done.
It's not done. Okay, maybe that's the reason, probably teacher. So this is the formula we use. Then we get this is square root of 180 divided by 2. So this is b, this is a, this is okay. So then you'll have minus 6 plus or minus, this is 9 into 20, that's 9 into 4 into same, we can write this as 9 into 4 into 5 divided by 2. So for this square root is 3, for this square root is 2, so you'll have minus 6 plus or minus 6 root 5 divided by 2. So
Yes.
if it is in the third form, this is the third form, otherwise you'll have minus 3 plus or minus 3 root 5. This is the final answer for x. So x can't be negative, so you'll be picking up only one value. So you'll be picking up x is equal to minus 3 plus 3 root 5. So 3 minus 3 root 5 equal to root 5. So x value is root 5. Therefore,
We didn't have any other method to solve this.
is there any other method to solve this? No. Yeah, you are asking here, right? This place.
Yes, sir.
This part, right? This part.
Yes,
No other method. If what we did is correct, okay, 32x and 416 is correct, then we'll have x square plus 12x, that's also correct, minus 9 is correct. So no other method, same, this is the only thing. So this is AB value, BC. I have to check the answers in the textbook. Let's see what they do. Okay, it's a 4 root 5 plus 4, and AC is 4 root 5 plus 5. If these are not the answers, somewhere we have done something wrong. Can you check the back of the textbook? Yeah.
the second one, it is AB is equal to 9, BC is equal to 40, C is equal to 40.
AB is equal to 9, is it?
Yes, sir.
So x equal to 9. B squared 144 minus 4AC, that's 36. 180, 180, 180. So, oh, how do you say? I think this is not minus 6. This is minus 12. Okay, this is minus 12. This is minus 12. So you have minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 root 5. So yeah, I still get the same answer. This is root 5 I'll get. Let's check the question. AB is equal to x centimeters, BC is equal to 4x plus 4 centimeters. He said 9, right? 9 and 36 and 4, 30, 41, 40. So 40 square is 1600. plus 9, so 1609. And I'm checking, not 1609. This is 1681. 1681. So this is also same thing. I think 41, 41, so 41, 41, so 16. Yeah, appears to be correct. 8 and 1681. So somewhere we did mistake. Oh, how come both of you did the same mistake? So I'm erasing all the things. Okay,
Yes.
there's no point in that. So we have this, and let's so when you do that, you will get x squared. You will get x squared. Okay, so that is 40. This is 32. That means minus 8x. Okay,
Yes.
minus 9. Yeah, you will get it. X minus 9 x plus 1 equal to 0. X equals 9. So x equal to 9. Then this is AB equal to 9. No, I straight away wrote that.
So we need to start it.
Okay, I will do that. B equal to, this is 40, and AC is equal to 41. Starting is this. So you have the triangle. I can just write down this one, right? So 4x plus 5, 4x plus 5 whole square. From there I can write, right? From that one. So
Yes, sir.
x squared plus 4x plus 4 whole squared equal to 4x plus 5 whole squared. So this is x squared plus 16x squared. 16 times 2, 32x plus 16 equal to 16x squared plus 40x plus 24. This is the one which we mistake. So the 16x squared get cancelled. So I have x squared minus 8x minus 9 equals 0. After that, this is the one.
Yes, sir.
So done. Next question.
One second, sir. Just right.
Oh, you want to note down?
Yes, sir.
I can give PDF also. This today I can give PDF.
So done.
Yeah. Okay. So the next question, you didn't send, right? You want one more exercise. Next exercise.
Yes, sir. Next question, sir.
Yeah, we'll start doing it. It'll be good for you.
Yes, sir. I just
Hmm. So copy the first question.
Sir, I sent it.
Yeah. So we are doing prove that c square equal to a square plus b squared minus 2ax. So you have two right angle triangles.
Yes, sir.
So do for both one and then add them. That's all. Okay. So I'm doing it.
Yes, sir.
So in triangle ADB, c squared equal to h squared plus a minus x whole squared. This is equation 1. Okay. Then you can say h square equal to c squared minus a minus x whole squared. Just rearranged. Okay. So
So then,
I just rearrange this thing. H square. So in fact I can knock this off as a, I can put this as a 1 in fact. So in triangle ADC, b squared equal to h squared plus x squared. Therefore h square equal to b squared minus x squared. Correct? This is my equation 2.
I don't understand the question.
Oh, well, the question, reading the question. In the figure below, given below AD is perpendicular to BC. So you have one right angle triangle here. This is one right angle triangle, and this is another right angle triangle. So in triangle ADB, which is a right angle at D, so by Pythagoras, theorem, you get this. And make h square as a subject. So h square equal to c square minus a minus x whole square. In triangle ADC, similar way, hypotenuse is b square equal to h square plus x square. Understood? Understood? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello?
Hello? It's still coming up. Yeah, now you can hear me, right? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Oh, now you can hear me.
Hello? Yes.
Yeah, very sensitive. Google is very sensitive. I think one small variation in the network speed, that's all, disconnects. Yeah, so I saw it disconnecting actually. Anyway, so you understood now
Yes, sir.
from 1 and 2.
But I don't know how finding like the height will help find prove that c square is equal to a square plus b square.
No, see, now for 1 and 2, left side is same, right? Left side equal to same,
Yes, sir.
and therefore right hand side should be equal.
Yes, sir.
That's how it will help. Equal to b squared minus x squared. That's all. You simplify this, you will get the answer.
So after working out the whole thing, I can balance too.
No, this you didn't understand still.
No, sir, still don't understand.
Okay. Now we applied the Pythagoras here for the first one, c square. Here we applied
Sir,
the.
I'm not sharing screen.
Ah. Okay. Presenting. It should go as a presenting. Present now. Wow. Present now. Window. Yeah. Every time it disconnects, I think the presentation window will go. Maybe something to do with the compatibility. I think the operating system. So you are seeing now screen.
Yeah, we got it from two devices.
Oh, you are still not seeing the screen.
No, sir, it's just.
Oh, okay. Then
So I think the presenting from the you have two devices connected.
correct. It says you are presenting to everyone. Okay. So that's what it is. So I'll stop presenting again. I'll do that.
Yeah.
No, still it says
Yeah.
blank screen.
If you're presenting, but there's only blank screen.
Uh, okay. We'll try to. One second. I'll get that fixed. I understood now. Yeah, I understood. There is a small. I think the software out I am using, right, this open board. We have to get through the windows and then enable. Okay. Now your question was, this is by Pythagoras. What is there to understand here by Pythagoras? This.
That part I'm
Then I made h square as a subject.
yes, sir, that was understood.
Okay. If you ask me a question, why did we make that as a
Yes,
subject?
sir, why that one?
Because it is there common, right, for both the triangles. For this also it's common. That's why we made that as a subject. Okay. Then took another triangle and the same thing added h square equal to b square minus x square. Okay. Now from 1 and 2, if you look at 1 and 2, the left side is equal. The left side of 1 and the left side of the 2 are equal. Therefore right side RHS must be equal. So we equate them. So now we have to proceed.
Yes, now I understood.
Okay, good. So we have a c squared minus. So whenever the minus comes and after bracket is there, don't open the bracket immediately. A squared minus 2ax plus x squared equal to b squared minus x squared. Now open the bracket. Minus a squared plus 2ax minus x squared equal to b squared minus x squared. So this minus x squared get cancelled. Then whatever he wanted, c squared equal to here only. So a squared plus b squared minus 2ax. That's what he wanted us to prove.
Yes, I understood.
Okay. Yeah. So a squared, c squared equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ax. Now, can you try? I'll see whether you will be. AD is perpendicular to BC and. Hello?
Can you go last part?
Yes, that's much easier.
Yes.
All right, so you can go to the next. You try the next question. It's just an equilateral triangle. So the keyword is, yeah, the keyword is equilateral triangle. This, right, equilateral triangle.
Yes.
So you know the sides are equal in equilateral triangle.
Yes.
So he wants us to find out the length of AD. So you have to assume, yeah, he said already BC equal x centimeters.
So AD is
Yeah, AD is perpendicular.
from point A down to base BC.
Correct. Only thing you may have to use is BC is x centimeter. Then how much do you think BD will be? Say again.
Can you take BD as x minus 1?
So whatever I said day before yesterday, you have to recall.
Yes.
I told you different triangles even before your exam when we were doing revision. I said no. So scalene triangle, isosceles triangles, and then we said if something is given as a median and the median has got special properties in isosceles as well as equilateral. Remember? So in the same way, the moment it is perpendicular, if this is perpendicular, then you will have BD equal to D, that's equal to x by 2. So this data we are using from this keyword equilateral. Okay. Hello.
Individual here is not the median, right?
Yeah, it is okay. It is not median, but what I said that if it is a median, then
What has to be equal?
then you have an equilateral triangle, right? The median will actually make into two equal parts and all the things we said, right? Then the converse, in an equilateral triangle, if there is a perpendicular drawn, okay, then that's a converse.
So BD is equal to BC.
So this is the easiest way using the property of equilateral triangle. If you do not want to use the properties of equilateral triangle, you can still do it. We have the equilateral triangle A, B and C. So this is a perpendicular, this is x, this is x. Let's say this is P. This will be x minus P.
Yeah.
Right? Then you go ahead in the same way, like this is like H, right?
I think equilateral is better.
Yes, yes. Yeah. You have to use the properties of equilateral so that you get. So tell me, I know the
So
answer.
now in triangle,
Hmm.
in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AD square plus BC square.
Yeah.
And, so AC you take as x centimeter.
AC is x, correct.
X square is equal to 80 square plus x 21 square.
Correct.
X square and x square get cancelled. So 4 is equal to AB square.
How x square get cancelled? No.
So when you bring it to the other side, it will become x square into 4 by x square.
See, what you have is
plus square by 4 is equal to AB square.
sorry.
3x square by 4 is equal
Yeah,
to AB square.
correct. But we want, therefore h equal to this one.
Yes, sir. Okay.
This is x.
Correct. So, yes, sir. I don't understand this question.
You're conveniently saying I didn't understand this question. Huh?
So they're like one right angle and two hypotenuse.
One right angle and two hypotenuse. Okay, let's see. Two hypotenuse. Where is hypotenuse? Anyway, this is A, B, C. So he has taken a point M. So some point M is taken.
Yes, sir.
Right? So before taking M, AC square equal to AB squared plus BC squared.
Yes, sir.
This you know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you have taken M, right? So join A and M. You join A and M. So here AM square equal to AB squared plus BM squared.
Yes, sir.
So in the final answer you got AM square and BC squared.
So you write it as AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square.
Correct. You
And
could
AB square is equal to
AM squared minus BM squared plus BC squared. That's all. You got the answer.
Yes.
Okay, this equal to this plus this. That's all. Good. M square plus bc square equal to ac square plus b square. So what is there to understand there? It is so easy, no?
Yes, sir.
Let's go for the next question. M and N are the midpoints of the sides QR and PQ respectively of a PQR right angle letter Q. So QR and PQ. Prove that PM square plus RN square equal to 5MN square. Good question. Want to draw the triangle? So I think I need to go to shapes.
Sir.
You're done? Okay. So M and N are which points of a QR. This M and this is N. Okay. And you have to prove RN square. So you are considering this triangle. So we are considering this. So let's do that triangle first.
I thought you have to,
Sorry.
I thought you have to join the midpoint.
No, he didn't ask us to join midpoints because he said first one I am seeing RN square. RN square.
Yes, sir.
That means he's joined R and N. Then he joined P and M.
Yes, sir.
P and M. Okay, now PM squared equal to PQ squared plus QM squared. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So RN squared equal to NQ squared plus QR squared. And now you can join MN. Then you can write MN squared equal to NQ squared plus QM squared. Alright.
Yes, sir.
So these three we can get from three right angle triangles. First one and the second one. Add 1 plus 2.
Yes, sir.
So you got PM squared plus RN squared equal to PQ squared plus QM squared plus NQ squared plus QR squared. Correct? but this one is mn squared. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now we have to worry about pq squared and qr squared. We have to convert that into, we have to get the relation for
Yes.
mn. Yes?
So how plus n cube to the mn square?
Yeah. Here. This one.
Yes, sir.
That one is what I used here.
Yes, sir.
So now PQ is half QM squared.
Yes, sir.
Half QM. So 1 by 2 QM whole square plus mn squared plus this is also 1 by 2. Is this a QR squared? Oh yeah, QR squared. So this is half NQ squared. Half NQ whole square. So you will have 1 by 4 QM squared. Oh, then, oh yeah, then 2, I think 2. I should have used 2, not half. 2 NQ.
Yes, sir.
2 Q NQ. This is, I think, changed.